retired in 79, you have not gotten one kobo or the money.
Kobo, nothing paid. That's
Since 79.
79, the money they give.
Years now.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. Oh, please help me and share this particular video because it is urgent. This particular video is urgent. Please help me and share, because the reason why I dey bring update here, the reason why I dey bring news here is to educate my people, to educate Biafrans for what they don't know. This old man that people are seeing on my scheme like this was once a Nigerian soldiers, but what this man said here will shock everybody, especially all those Igbo boys, Igbo youth that are willing to join Nigerian soldier. That is why I bring this particular video here, to educate you that joining Nigerian soldier will not make you a rich man or will not change your life. Just hear from this man and decide whether you will join or not. So if you like what I'm doing, if you like to support Biafrans, if you behind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or you behind Biafra as whole, my brother, share this video and tag Biafra youth under the comment section so that they will not fall for this victim. One love.
Retired in 79, you have not gotten one kobo or the money.
Kobo, nothing
paid.
That's
Since 79.
79, the money they
5
give.
years now.
Elder Adebayo, when did you retire from the army?
I retired in 1979.
1979.
April 1979.
When did you retire from the army?
I retired from him in 1979, October 1979.
79. So, did you hear of the president's directive that all retirees should be paid?
Yes, sir. We heard of it.
Have you been contacted by the military
At
authorities?
all, nobody contacted
Nobody.
us. And this is exactly what they have been doing for long. This is not the first time.
What is not the first time? This is not the first time the president will issue directive.
Yes. And they will not follow it. They will neglect us.
Yes.
In the year 2007.
Yes.
In the year 2007,
Yes.
President Yaradua gave such instruction.
Yes.
After the verification we did by then, I have the papers here. He gave the instruction. But unfortunately, the man died two months later. After the death, we are informed to come to Odogbo cantonment at Ibadan.
Okay.
To be told that all the computer used get burnt. Then I asked the officer, if it is true the computer get burnt, what of the master list?
Don't you have a backup?
He said he doesn't know anything about computer. What he was told to inform us is what he was telling us. Then I said, okay, assume the computer get burned and you cannot lay your hands on the master list. Can't we have another verification? He said he cannot tell us. And that was the end.
Is it that since you retired in 79, you have not gotten one kobo or the money?
Kobo, nothing
Paid.
That's
Since 79.
79, the money they
5
give.
years now.
79, the money they give us they give us money to pack away from the barrack. That was 900 and they give me 930 something naira. That was that time.
Less
to
than
pack
1,000.
away, yes. To pack away from barrack. That is
Did you retire or were you dismissed?
No.
Dismissed.
We retire with a voluntary discharge.
We applied.
We have our certificate. Everything is
ụmụnne m bịakwanụ nke akwa a very big mighty gist. A sịkwa na a na-aplan ka esi anwụrụ Tinubu, anwụchikọ Tinubu ka egbuo ya. Allegedly, ọkwa from news ka m shi wee hụ ya, Premium Time. Ha say that they are planning to capture Tinubu and whisk him away. It's either they put him in cell or they tie him. This is from Premium Time. I saw this news. Myself, it shocked me. Biko na ụmụnne m ka anyị ga-ekwa ya ka ha si wee kọọ ya na ọbụkwa n'ọnụ m ka o si wee pụta n'ọkwa from Premium Time, allegedly from Premium Time. This one is too mighty, is shaking. Dịka anyị na-ekwukịta ha sịkwa na Aso Rock na a na-agba ọsọ na ọkụ dị over. Even the military chief of army staff, ọkụ dị over, a na-akwanye ya ọkụ n'ike. From Timeline, according to Timeline, they said exclusive how suspected culpists allegedly plotted to capture Aso Rock, eliminate Tinubu and others. Fresh update, fresh up. Now share this video. Nah, share your president is in danger. Everybody needs to know. Yeah, president in the Nigeria is in danger. Today being the 25th of March 2026, this one is coming out from Premium Time. According to Premium Time, it says, Premium Time have obtained fresh details suggesting an elaborate plot by suspected group conspirators to stomp Nigerian seat of power. Nsogbu dịkwa. Nsogbu, a very heavy word. Hey, seize the presidential villa and capture President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and other top officials in a coordinated operation that spanned key military and national assets. Finding shows that beyond earlier reports of assassination plans, the alleged plotters also designed a multi-layered operations aimed at taking control of Aso Rock and other key locations, neutralizing top military leaderships, and decapitating Nigeria's command and leadership structure. Nke a na-abịakwa from Premium Time. It's not from my mouth. It's from Premium Time. My brothers and sisters, asịkwa na a na-achụkwa Tinubu kịta tigbo zọgbo ka a nwụrụ ya. Hey, Chineke nna. At the heart of the alleged conspiracy was a plan to overrun the presidential villa in Abuja, Nigeria's most fortified political stronghold, and capture President Tinubu along with Vice President Kashim Shettima, Senate President Godswill Akpabio, and House Speaker Tajuddin Abbas were also to be captured and possibly eliminated. All these people, they are planning to eliminate all of them. They are planning to capture all of them and eliminate them. This is coming from Premium Time, umunnim. This matter hard, though, is too difficult. It's too uncle. I continue. Tinubu nọkwa n'ọsọ according to the news. I continue. Investigators say specific officers were detailed to lead the assault on the villa, forming what source described as the decapitation of units of the operation. The alleged plan extended beyond political leaders to include key security figures such as National Security Advisor Nahu Ribidu. Nahu Ribidu? This man that Tinubu is praising every day, also running a plan on how to eliminate Tinubu. I continue to read. The alleged plan extended beyond political leaders to include key security figures such as National Security Advisor Nahu Ribidu. Then Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun. Egbetokun the vessels so they don't push out from all it. And State Security Service Director General Adeola Ajayi, all of whom were marked as high-value targets. Okay, naturally, ikpochapu. Check out more than a plot. Oh, but they say that all these people are the people that they have pinpoint. I be pinpoint. I won't English. Pinpoint nda atola aka si nda ahụ ndị a ga-egbuchi Nahu Ribidu Kashim Shettima bi Kashim Shettima Tinubu na ndị ọzọ military heads ma police people ma Egbetokun I don't forget that man Egbetokun. This is not a joke. Forget that I am laughing, but this is not a joke. Ihe mere ana meche for this onye isi ndị police ahụ due to this issue ya na show every day Egbetokun. This matter too hard though, Chineke na. They say they want to eliminate all of them. Ka ihu na chere Egbetokun for Egbetokun. They don't pursue Egbetokun. Why not they fire Egbetokun again? They don't pursue Egbetokun from seats. What is going on? I continue to read. According to this newspaper, multiple reliable insiders, the operation was structured like a full-scale military takeover. Ihe akwa coup plot. Military takeover with units assigned to seize strategic installations simultaneously. While one team moved on the presidential villa, they have dispatched themselves. Another was tasked with taking control of the Niger barrack, a critical military formation overlooking the presidential villa and housing the country's top military chiefs. Their specific officers were allegedly assigned to eliminate top-ranking officers, including the Chief of Defense Staff and Service Chief. What are you waiting for? Can you hear that it's only in Nigeria that they will plan a coup plot? It will scatter. Because for this thing to come out like this, it don't scatter now. It don't scatter. Hi, Chineke, that Nigeria is a place of game, I swear. Hey, babe, I just pangolo. Le Burkina Faso, this small country, Burkina Faso, they did it. Piam, inside a piam. It take you over. Ibrahim try no shut up. Nigeria, it will scatter. I don't know. Kona nde wana plan ye enwe ho voro. Kona, I don't know. Kona Tinubu na use juju. I don't know. Allegedly. Allegedly. Hey! One senior security source described the plan as a highly coordinated with command structures, targets, and timeline, suggesting it went far beyond a loose conspiracy. Oh, but Jesus. Investigators says the network cuts across operational, logistical, and psychological components, from battlefield coordination to messages. According to investigators, Officer A.A. Hayatu D. Yusuf M.A. Usman Binuga and A.A. Yusuf were assigned to strike at presidential villa. They even list their name. Onye wo Officer A.A. Hayatu D. Yusuf. They just use this thing to, okay, they did not. Lieutenant Colonel S. Bapa was assigned to eliminate the Chief of Defense Staff. Lieutenant Colonel P. Dangnap was tasked with taking down the Chief of Army Staff. A.A. Dauda was the target, the Chief of Air Staff, while Major Jida was assigned to eliminate the Commander of Guard Brigade. Tinubu na agbakwa ihe agwụbekwa. A.A. Dauda was to target the Chief of Air Staff. Ndị a chọkwara ikpochapụ onye ọbụla. Ha chọkwara ikpochapụ ha niile in total. While Major Jida was assigned to eliminate the Commander of the Guard Brigade. Okay, source says that this phase of the operation was designed to paralyze military response and prevent organized resistance to the takeover. Beyond Aso Rock and Niger barracks, the alleged plot extended to other critical installations in Abuja. They want to go to some other places. Nigeria. Hey, Chineke nna. Officer D.B. Abdullahi was designated to lead the team tasked with seizing the armed forces of Nigeria complex. Oh, onye nka ihe nyere ya ọrụ. Ọrụ ijikọ ndị niile ndị na-aga dị ọrụ. Okay. Officer S.B. Adamu was assigned to head operation to take control of the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, securing entry and exit route into the capital. Ndị a plan go onwe ha, like they have dispatched themselves to different places. Kedu ihe mere ihe a ji scatter? Why? Why did this thing scatter? Hey, I continue. That is my humble opinion. That is just is allegedly anyway. Before you will say that, I want Tinubu to be eliminated. I beg you. Hey. The coordinated seizure of this site, investigator says, would have effectively handed operational control of the capital to the plotters within hours. The alleged conspiracy involved at least 40 suspects, including senior officers such as Brigadier General M.A. Sadiq and Colonel M.A. Majad, as well as several lieutenant colonels, drawn from the signal, infantry and special force units. Other named officers include Lieutenant Colonels A.A. Hayatu, P. Dagnap, M. Alimakuru, and S.M. Ghana, as well as majors and the captain embedded across various units. Ihe ndị a plan onwe ha plan, like they plan themselves to come and nna nke a na-emekwa today o, nke a na-eme today, nke a bụkwa nke mbụ nke mere, nke akwa new one. Like they failed in the first one, they want to do again, and you people still fail again because all putago